TikTok mainly and Instagram. I'm getting on Twitter a little bit more. A little bit, you know. Twitter is very toxic. So I have never had a Twitter. I just made a Twitter. But anyways, so y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail. So this is, I'm gonna be reinstalling this hair. I colored it. This is that same Reshine hair, and I just colored it. Still cute. We gonna use her, install her, and yeah, we just gonna get into the video. All right. So my bad, y'all, if I what was I gonna say? If I keep looking up, I got a show on. I'm trying to think if I wanna like do the whole thing, or do I just wanna spray her and go? I guess we could cut it and stuff. Whatever. Y'all, this is not a tutorial, so y'all want to see how I install wigs, go check out my last video. This is kind of just me. I'm not just like, alright, so I'm just kidding, y'all. This kind of is like a tutorial, so I want to just do a voiceover for it. So you see me now cutting out the eye holes, gonna cut out the ear holes like usual, and that's what we're gonna do with this part. You know, simple all the time. I am thinking about switching from using wig caps to using, what are those called, the little stocking caps, you know, like the little footy things you get when you try on shoes and stuff. Them things, I'm thinking about switching to using them because I feel like them would just be more seamless and not as thick and stuff. But yeah, y'all see what I'm doing. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my got to be glue on there to get it down and make sure, you know, sticking onto my skin and stuff. And then we just gonna go in with the blow dryer to dry it. I don't know what I was doing there. I guess my phone was about to turn off or something. Oh yeah, I was on the phone. That's what I had did. I had answered the phone on my computer. I started talking to my sister and stuff. But yeah, we just gonna spray that got to be on there, rub it in, make sure it don't. I don't like when it be like running down and start dripping and stuff, and then I gotta cut that piece off because then I feel like it just don't lay as good. Y'all see I got a little bit on my ear and stuff, but then we just gonna dry it whenever I dry it. I guess I'm taking forever, I guess, because I was talking on the phone. So we'll be back when I get to drying and stuff. Okay, so now you see we just gonna go in with that blow dryer, and then we just gonna do another layer of the spray too. Like, girl, what's so funny? What is so funny? Like, if you don't just come on and do your hair. But yeah, like I said, now I'm going in with, I forgot the name of this, but it's from, like, you know, the little TikTok glue spray. This is the yellow bottle. I didn't really like the yellow bottle. I still haven't tried the black bottle, which I am gonna try it, but I like the red bottle more than the yellow one. I feel like the yellow one doesn't hold as good as like the red one, but I still have to try the black one. But then I'm just spray that on there and dry it as well. And then I'm gonna put my wig on and stuff, you know, of course, when it fully dries. I'm not putting any glue, you know, Ghost by Miss Erica J glue. I'm not gluing it down. This is kind of like, I guess it's like a glueless one, but not glueless. I'm just using the got to be and the whatever that bottle was called again, because I can't think. Okay, so now here y'all see me just drying my lace and stuff from my wig, because I did like just color this wig and stuff like I had told y'all before. So she was still kind of wet. She wasn't super wet, but you know, we had to get her dry before I put her on my head. Why am I looking like that? Like, I be zoning out, y'all. Like, I was zoned. Like, if you around me and I'm just zoning out, just know I'm not staring at you. I'm just zoning out. And I'm just checking to make sure it looked good. I didn't get no color and stuff on the knots, because I've done that before. And I was so mad I had threw a whole red wig away, because, which I didn't need to throw the tracks away, but I threw, you know, the closure and stuff away because I had dyed it red. And I was so mad. But now, you know, putting it on, that's putting on the wig and stuff. And we but just adjust it to make sure it's exactly where I want it to lay. Oh dang, I didn't tell y'all that I had cut the little lace off. Dang. Well, I cut the lace off. I gotta go back to where I had cut the lace off, I guess. I don't think I put it in there actually. I cut the lace off and I used the eyebrow razor. So I use an eyebrow razor to cut the lace off. Well, not the lace, my wig cap. The lace has already been cut. This is a already used wig. Now I'm just looking at where it's gonna lay, and I just see this extra little piece for my cap, so I'm gonna just cut that off with some scissors, because I just didn't like that. It wasn't giving me what I needed it to give. So I'm just using my scissors and cutting that piece off. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and lay my wig down. Alright, so now I know where I want to place my wig, how I want it to lay and stuff. I'm going to just go ahead and make sure I can pull my baby hairs and stuff out of it already, so it's not, you know, it don't get stuck down when I spray my Got2b glue and that other spray and bent. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it, because I really can't even remember the name of it. But now y'all see I'm just going in with that Got2b and just spraying that down. And I had already did my edges. I think I used the Got2b gel to do my edges. I didn't really show all y'all like every product and stuff that I use, because when I was filming I didn't think I was gonna be doing like a step-by-step tutorial. But now I'm just drying it. Make sure that it's dry and it's stuck. Oh, y'all hear me scratching my head. My bad. My head itch. But now I'm just, like I said, I'm just drying it to make sure that it's stuck in place and it's looking good. Y'all see that? I don't know why I made that face. But now I'm going to go in with I'm about to say Got2b. What is this called? A wax stick. I'm going in with my wax stick now to just lay my the top of the wig. Y'all know what it is? Dang, I can't think right now. I really didn't need to. It was looking pretty good, but I just wanted to make sure it was really flat. Y'all see me looking at myself. And now I'm gonna just use my hot comb and just press that part out, just to make sure it's really flat. And y'all see I'm not really using the teeth, because as y'all know, like, the teeth of the hot comb is not what get it flat. It's the what is it called, the back of it, whatever, that's the part that's really getting it flat. And I'm just gonna lift it. I want more of a lift in the front by my edges and stuff, so it look more natural and stuff like that. So then that's all I do, is just press that out, and that's pretty much the end of it, because I just leave it curly. I don't straighten this hair or anything. Like, it's a curly wig. I'm not about to straighten it and stuff. So again, I don't know why I went over this part this many times. Like, it looked pretty good to me. Again, I'm just doing too much. And I still gotta do the other side. Like, girl, it's flat. What are you doing? Why are you doing this so much? Like, do you just like to see it? It's flat. Stop. I'm not stopping. I don't know why. I got a problem. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna do the other side the exact same way, but my camera ended up cutting off at this part coming up, so I am also going to insert some videos and stuff that I have
from this hair and just how it looks, you know, when my makeup is done and all that stuff, which y'all are gonna see on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate you guys so much. Make sure you guys are liking the video, y'all are subscribed to the channel, and y'all leave comments below on what y'all want to see next, any video recommendations, anything that y'all want me to talk about when I do these voiceovers, any subjects y'all want to see. I love you guys so much. Y'all remember to stay blessed out there. Okay, bye.